Hello everyone!
Hi everyone!
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge Place on Fine Craft Ales. If you haven't met before, you didn't see him in Rio last night, and you certainly won't find him in the crowd of Valley Palais. But you will find him here. It is the only one, two-time, back-to-back, beer tasting champion of the world! Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother Dave Partridge, who I think has been watching some darts.
I've been watching too much darts.
You watching some darts then, bro?
Hey.
He's darted up.
Ooh, ah, yeah, oh, you be my girl. I guess I forgot to start that. I forgot to stop it.
You've got to stop that.
It's too much darts.
Too much.
Hey, baby. Ooh, sorry, too much darts.
Anyway, welcome to the D&P, where my brother is obviously quite happy that the World Darts is on.
Yes. And my favourite player was on last night, Mr. Luke Littler. Scored 140 average, a new world record in darts.
Did you get a 9-darter?
No, he got a 10, 11 and a 12 dart.
What a lot of you probably know is an ideal accompaniment to darts is
Beer. And this being our end of the year show,
show.
we've got beer.
Got beer. Yes. So, what are we doing, bro?
3 beers from around the world, in fact, today.
Yeah, lovely. Where do you want to start?
Let's start, well, I say around the world, all of them are nearly from Australia.
Okay.
All that way on.
This way? Which way are we going?
Let's start with Little Creatures.
I've got it in now. So this is Morgan's Little Creatures Pale Ale Style Recipe.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Well, that looks nice. So a little leaflet here about it. Tells you ingredients. ABV 5.2. Tells you how to brew it. Looks a bit like that. Where'd you get it from, bro?
This is from the Homebrew Shop.
Okay.
You'll only find these at the Homebrew Shop, so if you want this kit, this is a kit that's been put together. So you get a couple of tins of malt extract, a bag of hops, a bag of yeast, etc., a bag of sugar.
Any extra stuff you need to buy for it, or is it
No,
all included?
It's all included in that little leaflet there.
Ooh,
everything you
fine.
need to make I don't know what Little Creatures is.
No, there's not a huge amount of information on there.
I presume it's an Australian beer, and I presume somebody's going to fill me in on what it actually is.
Yeah, okay. It tells you what's in it, what it brews to, and how to brew it, but it doesn't give you much of a description.
No.
Okie. There you go. So we'll have to give you a description.
Yeah.
There you go. Well, I'll tell you what, bro.
First impressions are good, aren't they?
Blooming clear, that one, isn't it? Look at that.
Lovely, I would have said amber golden colour.
Yes. I would as well. Nice beery nose to it.
Beery nose, nice and malty, hoppy beery nose to it.
There's quite a lot going in there, actually, isn't there?
Yeah.
Hops and beer. That's quite tempting, man, as well.
Yeah. Are we going in?
Let's go in.
It's Christmas after all.
Cheers, folks. Christmas and all that malarkey. That's rather nice, isn't it?
For a kid, that's bloody good.
It's bloody good.
That's definitely quaffable.
I'm getting a bit of toffee.
Caramel.
Getting a caramel, roastiness, malts, hops. Lovely rounded beer, especially for a kid, like you say.
Yeah. Nice dry bits after.
Surprisingly good, that actually.
And surprisingly English.
Yes. Has to be said. I think the style has probably copied it a little bit.
Yeah, not a lot. Dissimilar to a traditional English bitter.
Maybe a bass, long-roast,
bassy style-ish
sort of style.
Yeah.
Different flavour, just slightly different taste, but that's
a bit more going on actually, even in bass, really. To be fair,
a little bit more fruitier, would you say? And it's fantastic. 10 out of 10 for me.
10 out of 10. Good kit.
Straight in with 10 out of 10.
Head over to the Homebrew Shop and
buy some Little Creatures.
And we do other kits as well. There's a nice big range there for you to choose from. From Morgan's, from Australia, of course. I think we featured on their website before, to be fair.
Bloody lovely, that.
Yeah, really lovely.
Well, there you go. That's a good start, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I was just about to say it's like kicking off with a 180, but he's done it already. There you go. Right, where are we going next then, bro?
Right then, bro. I think we're going to go to is it still Australia, I think, or is it New Zealand?
So this is Mangrove Jacks. Craft Series. If you haven't been before, it's one of these pouch jobbies.
Yes.
It's food, we've done a few of these over the years, haven't we?
Yes, yes.
And they've got quite a lot. This is a hazy IPA.
Yep.
A fresh and punchy hazy IPA with tropical citrus and stone fruit notes.
Yes.
Balanced with moderate bitterness and a smooth finish.
Yes.
Pours hazy.
Yes.
So it's supposed to look like that with amber and white head.
Yes.
Well, that's bang on then, really, isn't it?
Yes.
It's 6.8%.
Sorry?
It's 6.8%.
Really?
No, he doesn't look at the ABVs when he buys these, by the way, people. He just likes the look of a kid and he buys it.
That tends to be my problem. It's price or the look or the taste or something new. I just get it and then.
So there is a proviso. It's a 6.8% based on using 1 kg of dextrose.
I used Mangrove Jack's malt.
Okay. So it might be a bit different.
So can I do a quick read there?
Of course you can, man. Hang on, look at that, sir. He didn't read the packaging.
Oh, you see, it says or. I thought there was an or.
It's 6.8 or
Or beer enhancer.
yeah.
1.3 kit.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I did. I used a beer enhancer. Mangrove Jack's beer enhancer.
So it's still quite strong.
Yeah, I don't really know how they get to 6.8 from.
Go and drink that on Christmas Day. I'm going to be falling over, aren't
Yeah, well, the new one says, yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Anyway, new recipe. We've done Hazy before. Didn't realise it was that strong. We've done Hazy before. But this is a new recipe, apparently, according to the website blog.
Okay.
And they re-released the kit. And I think it even told me somewhere on the kit when it was actually made. I think it was made on the 26th of October or something like that. I did look on the back somewhere.
Oh, right, okay.
I can't remember where I found it. But
No,
yeah.
there's a lot of, anyway, if you go on these, there's a lot of info on here. But yeah, it's got all the calories. It's actually got all the nutritional values, which is quite good and all that.
We all know the bee's nutritionist.
Obviously, bro, obviously it is. Made in the UK from imported and local ingredients.
Yeah. Oh, it's actually made in the UK. I thought it was actually.
Made in the UK, says that.
Let's have a look here.
It's not really the packaging again, is it?
Designed in New Zealand, you see.
Made in the UK, though.
Distributed in the UK. Did I say made in the UK? Just distributed. Oh, made in the UK. Oh, no, see, there, yeah, big letters.
Big letters with a box around it saying made in the UK.
What a wassack.
Look at that there. Made in the UK.
Made in the UK. Designed in
Mangrove Jacks, there you go.
Right, anyway.
Enough of that waffle. What's it like?
This is the most important thing. What's it like? We are here to judge this new kit from Mangrove Jacks. New improved Hazy, apparently.
Yeah, well, it looks like it should look, as it's described. That's got everything in it. It's got fruitiness, stone fruits, hops, the lot going on in that.
Yeah, it's a lovely smell, lovely
Fantastic.
citrusy stone fruit, like you just said.
Oh.
Or tart 10 for the smell. Anyway, I don't know what it's going to taste like, but.
Cheers, bro. We're going in again. Oh, it's hard work this, you know.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. By heck, it's even better than the first one.
I know.
And deceivingly, doesn't taste like a, what did I say it was?
6.8.
6.8, nearly 7% beer.
Oh, bugger.
You've been drinking a lot, huh?
No, I haven't actually. It's a bloody good job too, isn't it, actually?
That is fantastic. Well, let's look exactly what it tastes exactly like it smells. So stone fruits, hoppiness, not too dry.
I don't know. I'm
dryness.
getting really a lot more dryness through on the back of my palate. The dryness does really come through at the end, I think. But never mind. If that's the improved recipe, I'm a fan.
Yeah, I'm a fan too. That is fantastic beer. Oh, that's what Christmas is looking good for me, isn't it? It's 10 out of 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Again for me, I mean, that's a brilliant beer. I don't suppose we know the price of that one off the top of our heads, do we? Somewhere in the 30s, I would assume.
Yeah, around somewhere between 25 and about 30 quid, I would assume. Because you just about get everything you need, apart from
in the kit.
In the kit, and obviously you need the enhancer.
Okay.
Or a bag of sugar.
Fantastic. That's 10 out of 10. Oh, we're going on. Oh, we're going for today, aren't we?
I can feel that.
That's one of the old cockles, isn't it? It's freezing here in Lincolnshire today, and all it's blooming windy.
I'd just like to say before we move on to our next beer, Merry Christmas to everybody and all our subscribers. And thank you for your support over this past year. We will return next year, hopefully, with something different. We're building a brew room in the next to Dog and Partridge. So hopefully there'll be a few instructional videos from that very, very brew room, including how-tos and obviously don'ts. And how I'm getting on with my new brew devil.
Yes. Every time my brother's done one of these making videos, it's also seemed quite popular. So yeah, do a few more of those. Yeah.
And now we've got a dedicated area to do so.
Yeah. Excellent.
Not quite finished yet.
It's
you can see it now.
It's a work in progress. It's getting better. It's looking
Been
nice.
in progress about 2 months.
There's no rush. It's got the ends in there. It's got the sinks in there. It's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. Great. Who knows? This time next year we'll be brewers. You know, sailing and everything.
I thought you were going to say this time next year we're millionaires, Rodney.
No. Well, not unless we win the lottery, but there you go. It's really a little bit.
If you want some more, one more beer.
I want a bit.
One more.
Another bit. Right then. So this is again. Now I've got this on my phone a little bit because there's not a lot of information on the box. So this is from the Homebrew Shop.
Yes.
And this is a all-in brewing company robust porter fresh water kit. So what's that mean then, bro? When it's a fresh water kit?
Right. Okay then, people. This is probably the laziest way ever of making beer.
I like the sound of it.
In that box, there's 20 litres of wort that somebody's already made.
Okay. So you don't have to go.
And even if you look on the box there, underneath the label, it even tells you when it was made and the starting gravity.
It does.
So that was made sometime late March.
It's made like March, and is that the gravity there?
Yeah.
So
1060 starting.
1060, yeah.
And then basically you just add yeast. You buy yeast with extra to that. So what did you say? It was 36 quid, about 4
I think it was 36 quid on that.
4 quid for some yeast. I can't remember what yeast they used, probably an SO4. And away we go.
Lovely.
Basically just decant it into a fermenter, add some yeast, leave it, and that's it. That's just it. That's it.
That's it. £36.60.
What do you need?
Fresh water kit, robust porter. Tells you about it. It's made from home brewing to produce commercial quality beer at home. It's light, bright, clean, and tropical.
Yeah. Tropical.
Okay. And then there's a lot of notes, and there's even a little video on there of how to make it. So there's quite a lot of information on the website.
It's still not difficult how to make it. The guys who's obviously made this have done the hard work. The guys in Queensland of Australia, where this is from. Now, I reckon our brewers are missing a trick here.
Yeah.
Because all the brewers up and down the country make beer.
Yes.
Could just siphon off
Some of the water.
a couple of hundred boxes of their wort and say it's homebrew.
People.
All you got to do is add yeast now, and that's exactly what every brew house does up and down the country. They make wort, they go to put it in a fermenter, and they add yeast. But before putting it into a fermenter, someone's put it into bags in there and put it in a box.
And making some money from it.
Yeah.
It's not a bad idea, is it?
Not a bad idea, is it?
So, this is a robust porter.
So, yes, anyway, getting back to this is a robust porter.
Looks like porter.
It smells very much like a porter too.
Yeah, it's got those dark, chocolatey, roasty notes too, hasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah,
lovely smell.
Actually, the more you swirl it,
the more you want to dive in.
The more you get some of those nice home, comforty smells that you want from a porter, yeah.
Almost what you want at Christmas from a dark beer, really. You just want that lovely roastiness, richness and darkness.
I'm going in.
Okay, yeah. Let's go in.
Merry Christmas. Oh, Christmas is going to be special. Brilliant.
Absolutely fantastic.
Stunning. Completely different to the two beers, but just as good.
Just as good.
Just as good.
Just as good.
Everything you want from a porter. Lovely, roasted.
I'm in love with you, my dear. You are so rich, you're so dark, you're so smooth.
I think he's had too many.
Oh, you are everything I want in a glass. Anyway, yes.
Anyway, it is everything you want in a glass. It's lovely this time of year. on a sofa in front of a fire, watching you
I
dance.
don't care where you sat, where you are, what you're watching. Well, that is lovingness.
It is lovingness. It's smooth, it's silky, it's roasted, it's malty. It's like a little comfort in the glass.
That's not dissimilar to our local brewery do a couple of porters.
They do indeed.
That's not dissimilar to a couple of them.
It's very similar, actually, to be honest. So this is from Australia.
All the way from Queensland.
So maybe pinching on beer styles yet again.
Yes.
Okay. Fair enough. No, good. It's 10 out of 10 for me, all day long.
Yes. 10 out of 10 for me.
That's 3.
10 out of 10s!
No, that's 90, mate. 3 10. Triple 10. Anyway. Thanks for watching us, like my brother said earlier, all this year. If you're watching us anywhere on that internet, get over to YouTube, subscribe, comment away. We do read them all. Oh, I don't comment, but my brother does. Thank you very much. You're lovely.
Yes.
And we can't tell you what's coming next because we don't simply know.
We don't simply know. We've had a couple of disasters. I've been brewed in the brew room and I'm a little bit... Yes.
And it's Christmas.
And it's Christmas.
And Christmas.
Will we be doing the end of the year awards? We don't even know that, do we?
Well, either end of the year or beginning of the year because we're that lazy we can't be asked to do it.
Well, no, it'll be it's not end of 2024 yet. I mean, because these beers are in 2024.
It's got a good point. It's got a good point. Yeah, but on me Christmas Day, so it ain't gonna last.
So, everybody, enjoy your Christmas, whatever you're doing. Or with your family and friends. If anybody's on their own, come round with us for a beer. You're more than welcome.
We're in.
That was about 5,000 people.
It's not very big in here, bro. How's that, Bro?
That's about it for this year, people. This was the end of the year show. And until next year, it's a goodbye from him.
It's a goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
To
Merry
the king.
Christmas to the king!
Yes, Merry Christmas to the king.